Hi class, so my name is Lauren Hobbs and I am from Oxford, Alabama. I am outside right now, so hopefully you guys can see me pretty well. The first picture I've chosen right over here is a picture of my little family before we left Rexburg. So my husband just graduated in April and we moved into a storage unit. So we don't have a house right now. My husband's traveling for work, and I'm here in Alabama with my family and our new baby Audrey that you can see right here. She was born on January 9th of this year. So it's been a busy couple months for us. The second picture that I've chosen is this one over here. You can see it, hopefully. This was, I say it's one of the best days of my life, was the day that our little baby was blessed by her dad. I feel like everything that I've learned growing up about the church and about families, it all just came full circle when we were able to when my husband was able to bless her, and we were surrounded by all of our friends and family, which is a wonderful experience. But I am a communication major, like many of you. I am studying communication advocacy, the new major here at BYU Idaho. And I have a couple more semesters left. It's kind of busy with my new baby, but I'm doing it. And I had a teacher a couple semesters ago that helped me commit to graduating. And even though I have a baby, I'm still really excited to graduate and to get my degree. But ultimately, I want to be a mom. But I love learning and I love school and I love learning about communication. And so I'm really excited about this public speaking class this semester. And I'm excited to get to know each of you.